Good morning, everyone. Today, I will present the result of my practical work on the topic of contractor and method overloading in object-oriented programming. In this practicum, I implemented this concept in real case study, which is a student management system built using Java in NetBeans Apache. My presentation will explain the program structure, the function of each constructor and method, and also show the output produced by the program. Okay, first one, overview of the case study. The I choose is a student measurement system. As you can see, the system store and manage um basic information about students such as ID, name, department, and GPA. In addition, the system provides several calculation features such as calculating average GPA or generating a formatted description using method overloading. This case is realistic because construction and method overloading are frequently used in a real software to create objects and give them flexible functionality. Okay, here is a program structure. The program consists of two main classes. First one is mahasiswa.java and two main.java. This file main.java used for run the program. So the structure is simple but strong enough to show how object intersection and method flexibility are used in actual application. Contractor used in the program in the student class, I implemented three different construction. First one is default constructor. Two, this constructor initiates the object with default values. It is useful when the system needs to create an empty student object before filling the data later. Two, parameterized constructor. This constructor initializes the object with default values. The constructor accepts parameters such as ID, name, department, and GPA. It allows data to be signed directly when the object is created. Three is copy constructor. This constructor copies data from an existing student object. It is useful when the system needs to duplicate an object without retyping the data. Okay. The use of these three constructors show how Java support flexibility object initiation depending on user need. Okay, so this a method for loading. Next method of loading is applied to give a single method name multiple behavior. In this program, I created three overloaded method name calculated GPA. So one, calculated GPL double score, take a multiple score and calculated an average. Okay, by using overloading, the program can handle different GPA calculation scenarios while keeping the method name consistent and easy to remember. Function explanation. Here is a brief explanation how the constructor and method contributed to the program. The default constructor replaces an empty object so the system can fill data later. The parameterized constructor is used when full data is already known on object creation. The copy constructor help duplicate student object easily, which is useful in record backup or editing feature. The overloaded calculated GPA method provides multiple flexibility ways to compute GPA depending on what data is available. This approach makes the class more reusable and easier to expand. So if we run this file, we got output like this. When the program is executed, it produces a student creating using the default constructor, a student created using the parameters constructor, a student creating using the copy constructor. Next is a version of the calculated GPA method is demonstrated with different input format. The output show that all constructor and overloaded method work correctly according to their purpose. So the conclusion is the practical work demonstrates that construction allow object to be created in a flexible ways depending on the needs of the system. Method overloading make a class more powerful by providing multiple behavior under a single method name. Both concept improve readability, efficiency, ability, and maintainability of object-oriented program. This the student management system example clearly show how these concepts are applied in real-world programming text. In closing, thank you for attention. That is the end of my presentation. If there are any question, I will be happy to answer that. Thank you very much. Sekian dari saya, sekarang Bima Sena dengan NIM 2024. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.